Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to redeem Amazon gift card. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, simply tap on the profile icon available in the bottom. You can see there is a profile icon. Tap on it. Then simply tap on your account option available in there. Now inside your account, scroll down till you find the option payments. From payments, tap on the manage gift card balance and here you will get to see redeem another gift card. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is enter the claim code in the provided field and click to apply to your balance or redeem. You can simply scan your redeem card as well if you have it. So I don't have it. So if you have it, then you can scan and write down your code verification there and tap on the apply. So that's it. These tips will help you easily redeem your Amazon gift card and add the funds to your account for future purchases. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.